It's the butt crack of dawn on a Saturday morning and it's sleeting. What are we doing?
Going to get a Volkswagen, baby.
What are we getting?
Well, we are on our way to get one of the most coveted of all Volkswagens. Well, maybe not most coveted, but it's pretty cool. 1972 Fast Back.
Yes, that's right.
But even better than that, you know what the cool part is? It's got a barn down around it. We got to cut a barn away to get to the Volkswagen.
That's right. That's what we're doing today. It's really early on a Saturday.
Yep.
We've got some driving to do, but we're going to go pick a Volkswagen out of a field barn.
Somewhere out in the woods. Hey, VW life, baby.
That's what it's about, and you're coming with us. Let's go.
You're coming with us. That Tyson's all excited. Oh, look at that. Hey everybody, so we are going on a VW rescue. So these are some things that we've learned over the years that are must-haves. First things first, the bag of tools. That's our bag of tools we have that we carry with us whenever we're on a road trip. Always good to have. You can see the big items here. We have a nice big heavy-duty floor jack, the Daytona. All right. We have a big huge breaker bar. We have a set of rollers. We have air. We have a Sawzall. These are a couple little things that I kind of fabricated a little bit to help break drums loose. You put your lug studs in there, or lug bolts, and you help you break loose some of the drums. Other things that we have, a Sawzall, in case you get to, like today especially, we're going to where there's like a barn. We may have to cut down some stuff in the barn. Always a good thing to have some gloves, straps for the tow trailer. Here's our box. We just leave everything in this box. This is full of stuff. First things first, you always want to have bus rescue paperwork. If you get to title transfer, you got to have that kind of stuff. Other things we have here, it'll be lights if we're towing, and if we're flat towing. We got some other straps, bungee cords. This is something really handy. It's just a piece of vinyl you lay down on the ground. Like, you know, why get muddy and gunky if you don't have to? We roll this out, lay down on that, you're good to go. You always need a big old sledge. So we got a big sledgehammer. Got some various cleaners in here. Here's something a lot of people don't think about if you're flat towing sometimes. Just bring some transmission fluid, just in case. That's a very good thing there. We also have some wheel bearing grease in case something like that. Of course, WD-40, other things to break loose rusty old bolts and everything. This is just kind of a rescue box. We just kind of have added to it over the years. It's a good thing just to have as much stuff you can. Oh my gosh, we've been attacked. We won't be attacked today by mosquitoes, but we have in the past. So we got some old bug spray in there, stuff like that. But that just kind of gives you an idea, some things that we take with us when we want to rescue. Most importantly, is just go out there, have fun, be safe, and man, pull another one of these things out of the woods and get it back on the road.
Well, we're taking a big long road trip, so it's time to eat where we always eat. We're at the Whataburger.
Oh, Whataburger!
They have really good salads, by the way.
everybody. I am driving safely with 2 hands on the wheel, if you notice that. And my eyes are ahead, but good to see you guys, VW Lifers. Well, we're on our way up to north of Llano, Texas. You can look that up on your map, but it's a long way up here. But anytime you can find something in a barn, we're gonna go look at it. So that's where we're headed. We are making good tracks. We had a good lunch at Whataburger, and we're probably about 45 minutes out from our final destination. Weather's beautiful, it's nice and dry, a little chilly, but no big deal there. So check back with us a little bit. We're gonna find some good stuff.
Well, that one's a little too rusty for us. Well, as you saw, it wasn't the greatest Type 3.
Yeah, you know, unfortunately, you can't judge a book by its cover. The owner did a good job of sending us pictures as best he could. But when you go out and look for these things, I mean, that's the lesson for everybody on this is don't just buy something on looking at pictures. You really need to kind of look over them, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, all that rust around the motor is just more than we can handle, so we're passing.
Yeah, we are. It's we're just from a Type 3 standpoint. We're hoping that there's somebody out there that sees this video and says, "Hey, you know what? I want to tackle that."
Yeah, and if you're that person, leave a comment, and we'll try to get with the owner.
That would be an awesome idea.
Yeah.
You know the good news of the day, Matt Jackson?
What's that?
We got more Volkswagens to go look at.
That's right. We're gonna go look at a Beetle, and it's some Beetle.
Oh, she's a real beaut, Clark.
So let's go. VW Life. Hey,
VW Life.
If you like what you're seeing, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's go.
All right, well, it's a 63. It did have the, which looked like the original 40 horse, 6-volt. Everything was there, it looked good. It wasn't frozen up, but the car itself, there wasn't a straight panel on it. Plus the fact, obviously, it had been hacked. Made into Santa's sleigh or something, I don't know. But anyway, maybe we're getting picky, I don't know, but.
I don't think we're picky.
Just.
You guys saw it. Would you have taken that for, what you want, 500 for that? 500? Probably not. That's VW life though.
Oh my God, look at the roof line.
That's what I was saying. Look, it had the wheels cut out.
But the beam's gone.
We're kind of out just searching now. We've had two I guess strikes, and we're trying to make a day of it, but we're still not finding much of anything. We found that panel, an early bay panel.
Yeah, early bay panel, just out looking for junk.
Yep.
You never know what you're gonna find, but it's kind of par for the course today. It's pretty rough.
Yep.
But it was an early bay panel, pretty cool. Somebody had pulled the front beam out and the transaxles. There ain't nothing left in it. I think the VW world's talking to us a little bit today. We're bringing home an empty trailer, which happens sometimes. That's kind of what happened today. You got to follow every lead. So we had two good solid leads, and neither one of them worked out. It happens, but you got to follow those leads. So we're unhooking the trailer, and we'll go find something else here soon. It's the way VW life goes sometimes, as they say. But you gotta follow lead, and then like we said earlier, man, a bad day of going out looking for VWs is a hell of a lot better than work.